Halo Sobat Aliber, selamat datang di channel Cahut ID. Di video kali ini kita akan saksikan cover Alip Bata sedang diperiksa oleh pengamat musik dunia More Than Words dari Extreme. Bagaimana keseruannya? Kopi mana kopi? Inilah dia Alip Bata.
To the Wayland perspective, please like and press that subscribe button. I appreciate it very much. This is my reaction to Alip Bata performing More Than Words.
Right, so we are back with the great Alip Bata. You Alipers out there, I love these. We've got a rock metal classic, More Than Words, which was a extreme song back from the early 90s that basically was everywhere. It was all over MTV. It was all over the radio.
This one, very, very intriguing indeed, because this is one of my favourite songs. Extreme More Than Words by Mr. Alip Bata. Fingerstyle cover. There's only probably going to be one outcome. This guy is unreal. But this is one of my favourite songs to
ever cover, originally by Extreme. Let's commence.
I quite like them, and I've liked quite a few of their songs. But this song, it was everywhere. So I know it quite well. And really, really looking forward to seeing how this man plays it. So here we go. Let's give it a twist.
He has done it with his little spin on things. Here we go, Mr. Alip Bata with More Than Words.
Ladies and gentlemen, Alip Bata, Alif, absolutely being awesome here on his guitar, ladies and gentlemen. Every single time the young man takes on a track, especially a famous track, he just makes it work in that typical style of his. I enjoy this man's performance style. It's so laid back, ladies and gentlemen. Most of the time, this guy's just chilling, giving you absolute gold on the acoustic guitar. Fingerstyle cover every single time, ladies and gentlemen. This young man just so utterly brilliant, so calm, so chill, so cool, so collected, just absolutely doing what he needs to do from a musical standpoint and just giving you that flavor, giving you that vibe every single time. Of course, I know this track More Than Words from way back. I mean, I'm pretty sure they aired this one on VH1 every chance they got as well. That video, if I can recall, two dudes just absolutely performing this song from that original band Extreme. Way back vibes here, and Alip's just comfortably giving you that feeling here. More than words. This young man, he doesn't need words. He just needs his guitar, and he's absolutely gonna rock ya. That's the way it goes. Awesome performer. Excuse me, that was a great move right there. He just, you know what I mean? You know, these are the things, I'm telling you, these are the things, if only I could. I think my fingers, you know, with some proper practice, they could be strong enough to take on this kind of thing. I'm sure. I just need to motivate myself And even then, it would probably take me a decade plus to get to the level that Alip Bata is at. I mean, I can't recall. I'm not sure if we figured out how long he's been doing this. I'm pretty sure he's been doing this for a long time, since the days of his youth, and he's just utterly brilliant. It just comes so easily to him. He just absolutely performs these songs like nobody's business, ladies and gentlemen. Such an entertaining performer. And he's giving us another one here. Throwback vibes being wonderfully done by Alip Bata. Brilliant performance as always by Alip. But you see the problem, I'm trying to do these chords, but then the other hand that has to do this other bit of strumming and playing down here, I can't do both at the same time. So those multitasking issues that always get thrown at me coming true there. But no, I can multitask, I can absolutely do it. I just have to focus more on my air acoustic guitaring. Then I'll be better, no doubt about that. Alip Bata, he rules. That's the whole thing. This man does... Is he even focusing? I just think he does this. He would do this in his sleep. But that's how good he is. This sounds wonderful. Just the sound quality in terms of how he performs on his guitar, always magnificent. This man is he's just wonderfully entertaining. Ladies and gentlemen, how can you not just be caught up in how awesome this sounds? That's what it's doing for me. It's such an enjoyable time. Just pure, unadulterated guitar music, and it just works so wonderful. Every performance the young man does, such entertainment value galore. And I mean, it's just so laid back, and that's what makes it so cool, ladies and gentlemen. It's just enjoyable stuff. Forget your troubles in this world. Forget your issues. Forget all the stuff that's weighing on your shoulders. Sit back, relax, enjoy yourself, and let the music of Alip Bata just absolutely relax you. That's what it's all about. What a performer this man is.
Okay, so there we are with Alip Bata's cover of Extreme's More Than Words. Now, more than words, yeah, more than words. Amazing, again. I know we mentioned before, and people have mentioned before about him being in a band. He should be in a band and stuff like that. I disagree now. I think he is a one-man band. What he does with that guitar is just phenomenal, and he really paid a lot of respect to that song. I hope Nuno's seen it, and I hope he's appreciates what what a great guitar player this man is.
It's just so silly. Stop it! It's just fucking stupid, man. There's no need. There's no need.
Performer, no doubt about that. Well and truly established fact on my channel, Alip Bata, giving us the style, grace, and elegance of that old school song, ladies and gentlemen. A track from way back. A very famous song indeed. I mean, it's one of those songs that's evergreen. That song, in terms of its acoustic vibes and the way they sing it, the Extreme, the band, that song's always going to work. But Alip Bata giving you that utterly awesome guitar performance there. Fingerstyle. Bata is always epic on his guitar. That was yet another extremely awesome performance.
Asik banget, bapak ini sedang meresapi cover Alip Bata. Oke, sekian video reaksi hari ini, semoga bisa menghibur Anda semua. Terima kasih, sampai jumpa di video-video selanjutnya.